Hello students, welcome to one and all. In today's session we are particularly talk about that is a ribose nucleic acid, that is RNA. In the last session we studied very well that is a DNA and the difference between DNA and RNA. So all of you know that very well, that is the DNA contain the deoxyribose sugar and the RNA contain the ribose sugar. Both sugar are pentose sugar, but DNA contain deoxyribose sugar in which one oxygen atom less than ribose sugar of the RNA, and RNA contain ribose sugar which contain the 5 number of oxygen atom. So DNA is double stranded structure, but RNA is single stranded structure and stand folded upon itself in some region. So bases are paired in folded region and unpaired in unfolded region. So RNA is made up of number of small unit, and that small unit called the nucleotide, and to form the polynucleotide chain. Each nucleotide consists of the three kind of substances such as ribose sugar. Phosphate are present in the form of phosphoric acid and the nitrogenous base pair, which can be two types, adenine and guanine, and in case of purine and cytosine, thymine and thymine is replaced by uracil in RNA. Thymine is replaced by uracil. Thymine is replaced by adenine and guanine in purine, and cytosine and thymine present in DNA. So here thymine is replaced by uracil. Only big change is thymine is replaced by uracil in RNA. So RNA is located in the nucleus, then ribosomes, nucleolus, and free state in the cytoplasm. Okay. RNA can be two types, genetic RNA and the non-genetic RNA. Genetic RNA is found in some plant viruses, and which carry genetic information. For example, TMV means genetic RNA carries the genetic information, that is genetic RNA. But non-genetic RNA is primarily involved in protein synthesis. Non-genetic RNA can be three types, that is a messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. So this first upon these three kind of the RNA plays a very important role in protein synthesis. So first upon, what is the messenger RNA? This is a figure which represents the messenger RNA. It is the single stranded linear structure made up of the minimum 300 nucleotides. It is synthesized inside the nucleus from DNA by the process of transcription. This messenger RNA proposed by the scientist Jacob and Monod in 1960. Why called a messenger RNA? Because it carried the message in the form of triplet of nitrogen bases. This is a triplet of nitrogen bases or codon or genetic code, and which can specify for the specific amino acid in the protein synthesis. So this messenger RNA carried coded message in the form of triplet of codon from DNA to ribosome during protein synthesis. The information present on messenger RNA is called the genetic code or mRNA language or the cryptogram. mRNA language or the cryptograms. Okay, if mRNA carries code for the synthesis of one protein, it is called a monocistronic mRNA or monogenic mRNA. Understand? Are you getting my point? If mRNA carries code for the synthesis of one protein molecule, it is called as monocistronic RNA or monogenic RNA. But it carries code for the more than one type of protein, it is called as polycistronic or polygenic mRNA, because poly means many and mono means one. So it carries information for the one protein, that is monogenic or monocistronic. It carries information more than one protein, that is polycistronic or polyprotein. mRNA is short-lived in prokaryotic organism. When during the process, mRNA starts from the initiation codon and ends with the termination codon. This is the initiation codon or the start codon, and this is the termination codon or nonsense codon, or the termination codon or nonsense codon, or the stop codon. Initiation codon are always AUG because the process of protein synthesis start here. First amino acid add here on this codon, that is AUG. So it must be AUG. It is code for the amino acid methionine, or the in case of prokaryotic N-formyl methionine, and in case of eukaryotic organism it is a formyl methionine. Okay, so mRNA has a polarity. mRNA shows polarity means it start from the 5' end to the 3' end, 5' and the 3'. So there is a triplet of codon present on the mRNA is one after the other without any gap or space, and which can specify for the specific amino acid. It start from the initiation codon and the stop with the termination codon or the nonsense codon. Why called a nonsense codon? Because no any amino acid are added on this codon, because the process of protein synthesis stop here, which does not play any role in the protein synthesis, and therefore it is called the nonsense codon. Then the molecular weight of messenger RNA generally about 5 lakh, and it constitute about 3 to 5% of the total RNA. Total RNA here, messenger RNA constitute about 3 to 5% of the total RNA. Okay. Second one is the ribosomal RNA. So what is a ribosomal RNA? Okay, ribosomal. It is also single stranded structure, but stand folded upon itself in some region. It is loop region which contain the nitrogen bases are paired, like the A pair with U or the G pair with C. It is mainly found in the ribosome. It is synthesized in the nucleolar organizer region. Ribosomal RNA provide proper binding site to mRNA. I already explained what is the function of the messenger RNA. Means we provide the message in the form of triplet of codon or triplet of nitrogen bases, and which can specify for the specific amino acid. But this is ribosomal RNA. This is what is the function of ribosomal RNA? It is single stranded structure just like here, but stand folded upon itself in some region. So bases are paired in folded region and bases are unpaired in unfolded region. So bases are A pair with U by 2 hydrogen bond and C pair with G or G pair with C by the 3 hydrogen bond, because one purine are always bind with another pyrimidine in case of pair, just like in the DNA in case of this folded region. Okay. So what is the function of this ribosomal RNA? Ribosomal RNA, this is provide proper binding site to mRNA on the ribosome during the process of protein synthesis. Means it arrange the mRNA on the ribosome in such way that the codons on the messenger RNA can properly read by the transfer RNA, because codons transfer RNA, next one, that is a transfer RNA contain anticodon, and codons on the messenger RNA gets complementary to anticodons on the transfer RNA during the process of protein synthesis, and therefore main function of the ribosomal RNA is that ribosome provide proper binding site to mRNA on the ribosome during protein synthesis. Okay. So the molecular weight of the messenger ribosomal RNA ranging from 40,000 to over million, and it constitute about 80% of the total RNA. Means the percentage of the ribosomal RNA is more in total RNA. 80%. 3 to 5% is messenger RNA. Molecular weight of mRNA is 5 lakh. Here molecular weight of ribosomal RNA is 40,000 to over million. Then last one, now start the transfer RNA. Why called the transfer RNA? Transfer means which carry the specific activated amino acid to the site of protein synthesis. Because amino acid are present in cellular pool or cell cytoplasm, that amino acid are initially in inactive state. So that amino acid are initially given by the energy in the form of ATP. They are activated with the help of some specific enzyme, and that activated amino acid carried by the transfer RNA, because transfer RNA contain the anticodon, and the codons on the messenger RNA gets complementary to anticodons on the transfer RNA. Just for your example, your knowledge, mRNA having the first codon is AUG. So those tRNA having anticodon U, A pair with U, U pair with A, G pair with C. Those tRNA having anticodon UAC, that tRNA carry the specific amino acid, that is formylmethionine, and put that first codon, and in this way the codons get translated into amino acid and to form the polypeptide chain or the formation of protein in case of the translation. Because all of you know that the process of protein synthesis consists of the two steps. First one is the transcription and second one is the translation. DNA give rise to messenger RNA, this is transcription, and RNA give rise to protein, this is a translation. Okay. So what are the features of this transfer RNA? It is the smallest RNA, as it is also called the soluble RNA. It contains only 73 to 93 nucleotide, only 73 to 93 nucleotide present. It is single stranded structure but stand folded upon itself, forming hairpin loop. This is a hairpin model or clover leaf model. Hairpin model proposed by Hoglands and clover leaf model proposed by Holles. This clover leaf model proposed by the Holles. At the 3 dash end, it always end with unpaired CCA based sequence. It is long arm. It consists of the 4 arm. Each arm consists of the stem and loop. This is a stem and this one is loop. This is stem and this one is loop. But one of the arm contain only stem, not loop. That arm called the anticodon arm. There is a then again there is a one small lump like area present here. In case of the tRNA in Hollis clover leaf pattern, there is a two end are shown at the 5 dash and 3 dash end. In case of the acceptor amino acid acceptor end, so at the 5 dash end there is a N base is guanine. Opposite to unequal arm, there is a loop containing 3 unpaired nitrogen bases called the anticodon. The right loop of the RNA consists of one unpaired bases and known as T5C loop. It is ribosome binding site of the tRNA. The left loop consists of 8 to 12. Understand? Are you getting my point? Right loop of RNA consists of 7 unpaired bases and known as the T5C loop. That is called as the T5C loop. But left loop consists of 8 to 12 unpaired bases called as the DHU, that is dihydroxyuridine loop. It is a site for recognition of the enzyme amino acid synthetase. The anticodon loop consists about 7 bases. The short loop present between T5C loop and anticodon loop called the lump. I already explained what is meant by this lump here. It is here present a lump. This is a lump. Means short loop present between T5C and the anticodon loop. And what is the function of this transfer RNA? Transfer RNA carries specific activated amino acid to mRNA during protein synthesis. Hence, it is called the adapter RNA or adapter molecule. Molecular weight of the transfer RNA is about 23,000 to 30,000 and it constitutes about 10 to 15% of the total RNA. It constitutes about 10 to 15% of the total RNA and its molecular weight is about 23,000 to 30,000 Dalton. So hopes are you satisfied with my topic and my videos, because student please watch it carefully and before watching read some basic fundamentals regarding this topic or the genetics, because it is a genetics and it is very hard topic. It is not part of the, it is this study is only highly effective in case of offline classes, but please you have to consider me in today's online education and today's this such kind of the situation. So please students, don't be discouraged and you have to prove yourself in such kind of this situation also. So please read it very carefully and in case of any problem, so please contact me. Okay students, so thank you very much.